Hello everyone, especially to all people who wants to enhance their knowledge. I'm here to tell you about the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. As well we all know that in the 21st century, we have witnessed the significant transformation in the way we live that caused by the evolution of ICT that has various aspects of how we live or communicate. Multimedia and ICT enhance communication to a wider access to information and increase student engagement and collaboration. Moreover, ICT is one of the significant benefits improve learning experience like participating in multimedia content such as video, animation, and more that gives an effective learning. Furthermore, multimedia and ICT increase its efficiency, automating routine tasks and facilitating data analysis. This enables to inform people decision making, driving positive growth and innovation. On the point of that, the benefits of multimedia and ICT are multifaceted and far-reaching. That by time, enhance learning and improve communication to a driving environmental sustainability. It is essential to harness the potential of multimedia and ICT to create a more connected, positive, and sustainable world.